Hello, I've gotten some questions on how best to seam up this headband. So I've quickly knitted up a version that's slightly shorter than the pattern calls for, and it's for my daughter. I did about 18 inches for her. She's a toddler. I left a very long tail, and this is what we will use for the seaming of the headband. What you're going to want to do is take both ends, fold in half, as you can see, and then you're going to sandwich each of these ends one on top of the other. See how that looks? Nice and sandwiched. Holding it like this, you can see that it's rather easy where you're supposed to seam all four ends. So you'll take your tapestry needle and you'll weave up and down over the cast off and bind off edge, back and forth across. I'll lift this up and show you. You can see sort of how by sandwiching these ends, you've got a twist. And so once they're seamed together and you flip it over, you've got this lovely twist in the headband that you're looking to achieve. Thanks.